La ponctuation. So let's discover together the punctuation in French. Okay, so we can start, and I thought it might be useful to start with this one, and it's le point. Okay, so le point. And for this video, I will actually tell you how to put these punctuation signs, and if we need to put some spaces or not, because it does change a little bit if you compare it to English, for instance. So let's see now le point. So let's imagine that you will have your sentence, or it could be a word like that, and after that you will put le point. Then you will have to put a space, and the next word will come. Okay, so it could be a sentence before, a sentence after, but the main thing is to remember that you don't have any space before, but you will have one after. Okay, so let's see now the next one, and it's le point virgule. Okay, le point virgule, and le point virgule works like that. Mot numéro 1. Then you would put le point virgule without any space, then a space, and the next word or the rest of the sentence. Okay? La virgule. Okay, so la virgule. And for la virgule, actually you will have the first word, then la virgule is coming without any space, then you will put a space, and the rest of the sentence or the next word is coming after. Okay? Nothing before, one space after. Le point d'interrogation. Le point d'interrogation. Okay? And in that case, keep in mind that you will have whether your sentence or this word, then, and this is quite important because it does change from other languages, you put a space, you put le point d'interrogation, okay? Then after that, a space, and the rest will follow. Okay, so this is quite important. Remember that we will put in French a space before le point d'interrogation, because it's not the case in, well, some other languages. Okay, and now le point d'exclamation. Okay, so le point d'exclamation, you will have your sentence and then the previous word, then un espace, space, then you will put your point d'exclamation here, after that a space, and the next word is coming. Same thing as we had for le point d'interrogation. Remember that you will have to put a space before. Les deux points, okay, les deux points, and then they work like that. Le mot, then you will have to put space. Les deux points are coming right after, another space after, then the rest will come. Okay, so remember, one space before, one space after. Les guillemets. Okay, les guillemets. And concerning les guillemets, actually it will go like that. So you will have your sentence, or, well, the previous word, then a space, then the first one, after that a space, then you put what you want to put between them, another space, guillemets again, space, and the rest of the sentence or the next word or whatever you want here. But you've got to keep in mind that here it's quite tricky. Space, then guillemets, space, what you put between, space, guillemets, space, and what comes after. Les points de suspension. Les points de suspension. And regarding les points de suspension, it will come, sorry, like that. So what comes before, le mot, or then the sentence, and then les points de suspension, space, and then the next word or what comes after the sentence if you want. Okay, so nothing before, a space after. Les parenthèses, okay, and regarding les parenthèses, well, the first word, then you will put a space, then the first part, so la première parenthèse, your word, or then a group of words, fermez la parenthèse, then you will put a space, and after that, the next part is coming. Okay, so remember, before and after, nothing between. Okay?